Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if you can trade Forex on the Moomoo app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my Moomoo app. From here, make sure to log in. And now to find where Forex is, we need to click onto where it says markets. And on the top, we've got these different options. We want to scroll left to right and click onto more. From here, we can click onto Forex. And now you can see all the Forex trading pairs here. You got the USD index, EUR, XAUSD, Asia Pacific, Europe and Americas, and other. If we go ahead and click onto one of these trading pairs, say this one, USD AUD, we can have a look at it. On the bottom of the page, let's have a look. So we can set price alerts here if we like. We can share it, we can add notes, and these three dots, let's have a look. We can add remarks, add two settings, but there's no way to actually trade Forex in the Moomoo app. I'm in Australia, so there isn't any way in this country, but it just depends your location. So if you're in a location where you can trade Forex in the Moomoo app, you're in luck. But if you're not, and you're like me in Australia, you can't trade Forex, unfortunately. And if you can trade Forex, have a good look around on this page. It should say a trade button or something similar.